Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at how we can export a Shopify product to Airtable uh, table via Make. Okay, so basically, I have connected Shopify to one uh, store which I have in. So I have connected Make to Shopify store, and then also connected Make to Airtable. And what we'll be doing is we'll be automating this process where as a product gets created in Shopify, it will get exported to Airtable directly via this automation, which we have created in Make. So the steps involved are here. Basically, I have a Shopify trigger, which, on watch products. And as and when a product gets created or updated, this trigger gets triggered, this particular scenario gets triggered, and you see a change in the record in Airtable. Okay, so this is what we need to do. For this, you would need to add a new connection to your Shopify store. I'm already having this connection, so I'll not redo this, but you have to click on add and click on Shopify, and then it will basically ask your Shopify subdomain, which you can enter, and then it will it will ask you to log into your Shopify admin account, and ask you certain permissions, and if you say yes, then this connection gets created. Okay, that's the idea. So and similarly, in Airtable, you would need to basically create a connection in Airtable by clicking on add, give the connection type. So you can give Airtable token here, token or key option, and then as you go to Airtable, you can basically go to the integrations section, account, API keys. You will see the API is my first workspace, and then e-commerce is the workspace which I am working in currently. Developer Hub, you have to go to Developer Hub and then create a new token. So here I have created a token from Shopify to Airtable, which I am using it for all these scopes and the workspace, and I'm giving access to the workspace known as e-commerce. Okay. And since I've already generated it, so I'll not redo this. But yeah, that's the way you can create a new token here, give the name of the token, add a base, which you want to work, which you want to give access to for this particular token, and the scopes. Okay. Once you have the token with you, you can paste it here, and the connection gets established in your Make account. So basically, and once you create the connection, you can keep on using that connection for multiple scenarios again and again. So so it's a one-time job. Once I created a connection from my Make to my Shopify store, I can just keep on using it for multiple scenarios, multiple such nodes. Similarly, it goes for Airtable as well. Okay, so what we'll do is, and what I've done is I've checked watch products as the trigger and create a record as the event here in Airtable. Okay, just to quickly show you, let me just drag this down. So let's say I was adding a module. I clicked on Shopify. Now when I click on Shopify, I'm looking for watch a product. Okay. Let me check on that. Where is that? There is a search for product, get a product. Since I already have watch product, that's why it's not showing. Let me just quickly check. Not very sure, but yeah. Uh, Basically, I'm looking for a watch product as the trigger. Okay, let's say it was a create product. So I use this connection. Okay, then what I'll do is create a record or upsert a record on the Airtable using the, so my connection name is my Airtable connection. I can reuse this connection, select the base, and then I can map the fields coming from this product to this Airtable. Okay, that's the idea. So let me quickly delete these modules. Now what I'll do, since I've already set this up, just ignore this particular node for time being. So we have two nodes, one for watching product, one for creating a record in Airtable. Now, as and when a record gets created in Shopify, this will get triggered. We will see the data coming in here, and we can then see the data goes to Airtable. Okay, so let me go to Shopify. I have a test sort of store here. Uh, Let me create a test product here, okay, which we can see. Okay, once you do that, you can put some pricing here. Let's say it is $700, cost is 300. Okay, and I'm comparing a price 1,000. Okay, and I can put some quantity here. Let's say this is 10. Sorry, this is 0. Let's say 4. Okay, that's it. And product category I'm selecting here is um, apparels and accessories. That's why product type is something which we have created in Shopify, ourselves on the store. And this would go under authorized earring. Okay, vendor is uh, careful jewelry. Okay, and we can add some tags, whatever, maybe jewelry, latest. These two tags we have added. Okay, before that, what I'll also do is I'll just switch this particular scenario on, because I don't keep them on always. Okay, as and when I require, I switch them on. Otherwise, they are on off mode. Okay. Okay. So now let me go. Yeah. Let it. So I've created this. If I save, product got created. Now let me see if I'm able to see. So the output was, since the integration is already there, I basically was able to get that particular earring which I created with all the different headings. And then what I've done is I've mapped the body to the body of Airtable. Here I'm looking for a table known as products. Under Airtable, under base e-commerce, I have mapped title. Under that e-commerce table, title to the title of Shopify. Similarly, body to body, vendor to vendor, product type to product type, tags to tags, and other options to the Airtable fields. Okay. Now, since the integration is already there, what it is doing is it's input. It's basically giving us a success, and it is telling that the product has got created under Airtable table. So let's see if we have the new table which got created here. As you can see here, 2nd of January 2024, we have a test earring in place under products grid view. This products table was already there in Airtable with typical product fields like title, description, price, and so on and so forth. And we have this created with the body and the type and so on and so forth. Okay. So basically, which means that this particular automation is working. And if we have to make it, like if we have to update it as well, if we have to create an automation where the product details get updated when a product is updated, okay, we can basically have it with a upsert record that you can try it out at your end. I have not tried that. Okay, so hopefully I was able to provide you the guidance on how you can export a product from Shopify, a new product created in Shopify, to Airtable appropriate entity there. Okay, in this case it was products to products. Okay, you can try it out with Upsert or Create, whatever. Okay, and take it from there. So hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. We deal with anything and everything related to automation. So in my channel, I have taken videos with respect to creating zaps with Zapier. I'm creating videos on Airtable and make related automations as well. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you want to have a one-to-one consultation call on how you can automate your business, with us, kindly do that as well. The link is there in the description. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.